At BrightCare HomeCare in Harahan, Louisiana, we believe every senior deserves care that feels like family. We are specializing in 24-hour care, offering peace of mind to families who want support around the clock. With personalized Alzheimer's and dementia care and comforting hospice supportive care, we are here through every stage of the journey. Our dedicated team honors those who have served with compassionate veterans care. And when it's time to return home after a hospital stay, our hospital-to-home transition care helps make recovery safer and more comfortable. From uplifting companion care and reliable respite care for family caregivers to dignified personal care and dependable senior transportation, we are committed to making daily life easier, safer, and brighter. At BrightCare HomeCare, we don't just provide care. We bring comfort, respect, and connection right to your home. Reach out to us today